Hi guys, today we're leaving our villa and we're going to go and stay in a hotel for a few days, giving ourselves a little mini vacay to treat ourselves. We'll show you what it's all like. Bye.
And so far we've stayed in Sanua for 3 and now we're just coming here for a week and going back home to Sanua. We're taking you guys with us so you can see what we're doing this week. Yay! Molly, are you excited? Yep. I'm tired. Whoa. When we're in Sanua there is no one, it's so quiet. And here there are so many people.
Where is this hotel?
Yeah, we just arrived and it looks really cool.
The drop is this way.
We're gonna give you guys a little tour of our hotel rooms. There's the beach, and that's also part of the hotel. They're doing renovations. Whoa, look at that, look at that, look at that. Whoa! They have a rooftop, I'm not sure if you can see it. Anyway, so you go in here, you put your little key in for a shower, and you walk in, and there's a mirror, and then there's wardrobe. It's actually got an aircon in the wardrobe. Oops, we didn't shut the door properly. And then just leave it open or something. I don't know. And then here's the bathroom. It has this really big shower, sink, toilet. And through here, oh my god, it's so messy. Renovations in our house. Yeah, so we're kind of renovating at the moment, but it's still really cute. This place right here is, every time we come to Bali I really want to stop here but we never have, and now it's right next to it, has like seats and lunch and everything, and inside is cool and you can chill right in here. Nails done. And now we're going to dinner. So it's a really nice restaurant called Fat Bowl for dinner.
But I can see.
Rice with like eggs and satay sticks, prawn packets. What do you have, Lars? I know the name. She doesn't know the name. Right, you want that?
Beautiful.
And chicken teriyaki sushi I shared with Mahalia, and then we shared sliders and they were beautiful. Lovely.
And I had a chicken. Sorry. we've got a challenge, and we all get $5 each from a mini mart.
For a mini
mart. And we'll see who can get the most and the yummiest things. So we'll see y'all there. Bye!
We have still got a bit to go. It's so dark, but we're going almost there.
This is.
Nature out, just watching me walk. But I know, I'm joking. So we are almost at the mini mart.
At the mini mart. We're running because we fell behind because of the sign. We're almost at the mini mart, and then it's right next to the hotel.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, I'm on video. Mum, you're like, can you give us a
Oh, I'm gonna do the healthy $5 challenge.
I'm not quite sure what I'm going to get. I'm a bit stuck on this.
Yeah, have you all got your food? Yeah, you know the rules? Go.
Always get like sachet.
Get pop me. Like cups.
It was just an earthquake. Everything is shaking. Everything. No, there will be tsunami. Everything is shaking. Oh my god. Everyone is running. It's so scary. Whoa, he can hardly walk. Oh my god. I was shopping, and then we just felt the floor shaking. Oh my god, it's still shaking. It's still shaking. This lady's looking for her daughter. Oh my god, it's still shaking.
Right there is still shaking. Everyone ran out of all the buildings, and we're just here on the beach.
There's
Which is probably not the best idea
there.
since there's like
There's
earthquake, trigger tsunami.
prams left there, food left there.
Yeah, everyone just left everything. Everyone over here. Everyone just ran out
Oh
of
my
all
god.
the buildings. There are people everywhere, and the floor is still trembling. It's so scary. This has been the third earthquake this week.
I'm not showing you.
Oh my god, I never thought in my whole life I would experience this. Everyone, this is the third time this earthquake, but even the workers were scared. Everyone was running. Oh my god, inside you can actually see signs shaking.
Legit like a movie, you know, like how everyone just runs out of the building.
Everyone was so
food.
scared. There were people crying.
But like, if that happened in Australia, no one would ever go back in. But like, oh my gosh, stuff fell off all the shelves.
Everyone is still on
The workers just went in. People are still in the streets. But in here,
Everyone ran
people
out.
normally just go straight back in.
Staying there anymore.
Luckily we weren't up in the hotel because we're like on the 5th level and stuff. And oh my gosh. People are running it. It's like, oh fine. If that happened in Australia, we wouldn't go back into like ages. But oh my gosh. Okay, we're back in. Go on to the actual mini mart. What's there next to our hotel?
$5 challenge today.
We're a bit scared to go in, but we have so many glass bottles and everything.
Because it helps when you shock. Everyone was on the street. We were standing in there, and I was screaming earthquake.
I saw-
And the man who was working in there. I saw him running, so then I knew, well, we have to
Run.
All I could hear was Nisha screaming earthquake, so I couldn't hear it, so I thought she was just imagining it, or I thought I was imagining it. It was so scary because then you were running.
No, there won't be another earthquake, a second earthquake, and then 10 seconds after he says that. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. It was really exciting and still a bit
Scary.
shaken up because there's been a few aftershocks and a tsunami warning. So thank you guys for watching our video.
Stay safe out there.
Stay safe if you're in Indonesia. Bye.